factoid that you like to like drop on people to kind of blow their minds about the universe and how it kind of operates? That's like nonsensical, like it doesn't operate how you think it would.
A lot. I mean, I think that I am pretty up to date on what's happening in the world of like material science, physics, especially semiconductor physics. I feel like I'm pretty up to date because the resources that once you know how to read the resources, it's like a skill that you don't lose. And so it's actually like very easy to keep up your foundation essentially. So yeah, I feel like I'm quite up to date. On the actual factoid side, funnily enough, every week along with our company update, I send along like a fun science fact of the week. So I have
That's awesome.
I have like tons for you in terms of like things that will kind of just like mildly blow your mind, you know. So I'll give you the simplest one, which I like a lot, because everybody has one of these. So everybody has a microwave at home, right? And like, what is the single thing that you're told to not put in the microwave?
Tinfoil.
Yeah, metal, exactly. Do not put metal, and especially don't put foil in the microwave, right? Okay. When you look at the microwave, right? The walls of the microwave, what is it made of?
Probably like stainless steel or something, or
It's made
plastic.
of metal.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're told not to put metal in the microwave, but the microwave is made of metal.
Hmm.
How the hell, like, how is that possible? How is it possible that the thing is like full of metal, but you're told to not put metal in it, right? This is like, a lot of times people don't realize, they don't sort of like, hey, wait a second, actually, this whole, like, the inside of this microwave is metal, but I'm being told not to put metal inside the microwave. That doesn't add up, right? And it turns out that it's just because actually the thing that you're not supposed to do is put thin metal, but actually thick metal is totally fine. And it's just because you need enough volume of metal for the heat to dissipate from the surface into the actual metal. So what happens in a microwave, the reason things get hot in a microwave is like you get basically vibrations. In the case of a metal, it's like actually like exciting the electrons. And so you just need enough volume for the electron excitation to actually dissipate through the rest of the volume of the metal.
Hmm.
If you don't have that, then that excited electron will spark, right? It'll basically like leave the metal and it'll spark. And that's why foil is really bad, because there's no
Hmm.
volume for the heat to dissipate into. But if you were to just put a ball, like a metal ball in a microwave, it would be no problem.
Is there a minimal amount you can put in before there's like a spark? Is that like a known quantity?
So I mean, it depends on the frequency of the microwave. So this is where it's like you don't want to actually play this game, right?
Yeah, that's
Because
fair.
if you get it wrong, now you have a busted microwave, right?
Yeah. If
But
I ever get an
if
old
you were to put
microwave.
a, yeah, if you put a metal ball in, it will be fine, basically.
Hmm.
And especially if you put a metal ball inside of a glass of water, then nothing will happen.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the water will absorb the microwaves, right?
exactly.
Yeah. That is neat. I never thought of that before. So thank you. Um,
Yeah.
I'm gonna think about that later, and then hopefully I can find an old microwave to blow up. But I'm gonna test it.